How to remove LinkedIn connections. Removing a LinkedIn connection is a straightforward process. So what here you need to do is simply want to make sure to go ahead and do it from your profile as well. So open your LinkedIn app onto your device, then tap onto the profile at the very top right corner of the screen, and then you want to go to settings, or you can just go to more as well. When you go to settings, what you want to do is go to, so basically what here you need to do is you could use a search bar to find the profile, or you could just open the profile as well. So let's see, this is a particular person that I no longer, or I want to make sure to remove LinkedIn connections. So simply tap on the three dot icon, and you will be able to find the more button. This is represented by a three dot, and next to the message button or in the top right corner, you will just want to make sure to confirm by tapping it again in the pop-up window, or just tap on remove connections. So that is how simple it is to remove connections. Or you could also go ahead and select my network, and this is also where you could find it. So, and all you need is just simply go ahead and select the three dot and then select remove. So this way you'll be able to remove LinkedIn connections. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.